Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The Congress party has condemned the manner in which the Town and Country Planning Act is being misused for creating planning areas under the PDAs, and by creating planning areas, the next step is ODPs are made, and ODPs are nothing but vehicles of destruction of Goa. FARs are being increased, green and eco-sensitive zones are being destroyed, and we are seeing, especially in Kalangut, Kandoli and Arpora, commercial zones being introduced in a most haphazard manner. There are no planning considerations, and Goa, in short, is up for sale.